Alright, so it's still winter time, but we had some good weather. So I'm out here grading this long dirt driveway. And he wanted to put down something, just something so his renters could get in and out. So we got recycled asphalt. It's basically ground up asphalt. There's a company here that separates everything, so it's just ground up asphalt. No concrete, no wire, no brick, none of that junk. It's just, look, I'll show you. It's just ground up asphalt. And they brought it on a couple triaxles. I gotta do something about that hole. I was here earlier just scraping some stuff, but I gotta do a little more. I had to leave before the delivery truck got here. My son had a doctor's appointment, so I didn't get to do like the best grading job. I just down there I filled in a little bit of holes, and the house is over there, and then this is like a big low area, so instead of putting a crown, I'm just pitching it all that way, let it run off, and we'll go from there. I guess I gotta go walk down the driveway, get the machine. What I'm gonna do is I'll set these up here. I basically got to do some fixing on this corner. Right in here is kind of bumpy. Somebody buried some rocks and like concrete stuff there, so it doesn't grade very well, but we'll see what we can do.